All right, we're going to now set up the Brilliant dimmer switches. In order to do that for this multi-way configuration, we need to add them into the application. So this will be done on the Residence app. We go to Install, and we're going to add a Brilliant device. We're adding a smart dimmer switch. We're going to name it. This one is the line side switch. We know that because the light is not changing. So we name the switch itself. So kitchen line. And selecting a room for this device, it is in the kitchen. And assign the load. Again, this is a standard light. We now name the light of just the kitchen light. Kitchen. Select the light type. Per your building, all the lights are LEDs and all the wattages are 10 to 150 to keep it very standard. And do we want to dim this light? Yes, we do. Next. How many light switches currently control it? Well, this isn't a multi-way, so we know 2 light switches control it. Next. Do you know which switch this is? This is asking the line or the load. Again, the line side, this switch does nothing. So we know it's the line side switch. We hit save. This is just saying, hey, because this is 2 dimmer switches in a multi-way, you will need to add another dimmer switch. So we do that right now. Add a device, a smart dimmer switch, and naming that switch, it is the kitchen load for the switch. The device is also in the kitchen. Assigning the load, that is the kitchen LED, which is a standard light, and we know it's the load side for the other switch, so we hit save. These are all right, we're going to install these now, so we hit ready to install. We can see kitchen load and kitchen line. Let's go ahead and hit start. What you'll need, we're actually going to skip this and go down to connect. It says, are we sure we want to do this? Yes, we do. We hit continue. And you can see here it says kitchen load. So which one are we setting up? This is the line side, it does nothing. We're going to go over to the load side switch. Over here on the load side switch, we can see that light turns off and on. So we are ready to go. And now we are scanning the QR code on the load side switch. There it is. It'll establish connection. Once that connection is made, this light will change from flashing to solid. And we'll be able to adjust the trim or set the dim level. All right, now it's paired. It's asking us to adjust the trim for the dim level. I can press the plus sign to get it to a brighter level. And now I'm gonna hit the minus to where I get to a good dimming experience. That kept going. Oh, that's some flickering. That's the proper dim level that I want. All right, so I can go ahead and hit next. And that is finishing setting up the load side switch, or again, the switch that controls the light before it's been provisioned. I can hit next, and now it says kitchen line. We're gonna do the same thing, but over at the line side. And we are back at the line side switch, so I am now ready to set this up. And it's gonna be the same thing. We scan the QR code on that switch. And we'll wait for it to go. The blinking light will change from blinking to solid in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I was a little late. That's okay. Had to try for one of the videos. All right, it says the switch setup is now complete. I can hit next. Do we want to add another device? Nope, we finished because we set up both the line and load side switch. This is letting us know we can adjust the motion settings and scene control. You would do that on a Brilliant control, not in the switch. But now I can go, and if we look up the lights from my line side switch, I can drag my finger up, they turn on, and I can, stay up there. Drag my finger, I'm tapping, sorry. I can slowly drag the finger down to dim the lights. And that would be the same experience from the load side switch as well, but our lights have been set up.